If you're like me and you live in a city, it gets pretty busy. It's big, it's loud, and sometimes it's just too much. Sure, you love your life here, but more often than not, you find yourself wishing you could turn the noise down just a little. Well, here's the thing, you can. Now I get it, you're short on time and heading out into the countryside just to rest, well, that's just not going to happen. After all, the nearest wilderness to Melbourne is over an hour's drive away. But what if I told you it wasn't that hard? It's time to take a nature bath at your local botanical gardens. A nature bath comes from the Japanese word shinrin-yoku, which approximately translates to forest bathing. Not literally, rather, you're bathing in the clean air and energy of the woods. Now, the fantastic thing about most capital cities is they all have a botanical garden, an awe-inspiring green space curated over decades, even centuries, all within a stone's throw of your CBD. So how do I do it? Firstly, this isn't a walk to get your heart rate up. Think of it more as a gentle stroll. Instead, it's a time to simply ramble, undistracted, taking in the beautiful sights, sounds, and feel of the landscape around you. It doesn't even need to be long. Even 30 minutes will do. But it's important you take yourself offline for the time that you're there. In the moment, studies show that a stroll like this will boost your mental clarity, your mood, your attention, and your focus. Done regularly, it may even improve your eyesight, immune system, and heart health. And finally, for the more spiritually inclined among us, time in awe-inspiring green spaces helps to promote a sense of connection to something greater.